What's the meaning of Bronze Age? Bronze Age. Bronze Age.
Bronze Age. Bronze Age. The Bronze Age refers to a period of human history that lasted from around 3000 BCE to 1200 BCE, characterized by the widespread use of bronze for tools, weapons, and decorative objects. The use of bronze allowed for more efficient farming, improved weaponry, and the development of writing systems and long-distance trade networks. It also gave rise to the emergence of complex societies and city-states, such as the Minoan civilization on Crete and the Mycenaean civilization in Greece. The Bronze Age ultimately gave way to the Iron Age, as iron became the preferred material for tools and weapons due to its abundance and durability.